Hi, welcome to my first React Native animation. In this video, we'll look at how we can use GitHub Copilot to help in creating animations. We have a position animation using the animated API. So here I have imported the animated API. We create a constant X position and use useRef to set the initial animation state. So this is the initial position of the circle. Then we use Spring Animation to animate the circle. For the final animation state, we move the circle 10 pixels away. Then over here, we use the start method to repeat the animation forever. Let's scroll down to see the circle definition. So this is where we define the circle. So what we want to do in this video is very simple. We ask GitHub Copilot to change the position animation to scale animation. We can do this by going to the chat icon here. If we click that, we can start GitHub Copilot, but this window is very tiny. So let's use an alternative way to start Copilot. By going to the search field at the top, we can select the option Open Quick Chat. Before it converts the animation, we need to select the code. So I will select everything with Command A. Then I will enter the prompt. So I will say, convert this animation to a scale animation. And click the send button. Then we need to wait for some time. So here it says to convert this animation to scale animation, you would replace the translateX transformation with a scale transformation. And here is how you can do it. So you can see here it is the same animation, but it replaces the translateX animation with scale. So here it sets the initial animation state to 1. We have the same Spring animation, and in the start method, it uses ternary conditional operation. So when the condition is true, it scales the circle to 0.5, and when it is false, it scales it back to the original size, which is 1. So to substitute the original animation with this code, what we can do is to copy it from here, or we can click this button to replace the animation directly. I will then close the window. So you have noticed it has converted the translateX animation into a scaling animation. So this is how you can utilize the power of GitHub Copilot in building React Native animations. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching this video.